I've had my K1C for just over a month and I've put around 460 hours on it. I realized from the start that the carbon filter that comes with it is not sufficient. I've been smelling the ABS VOCs quite a bit, and you'll see it's because when you look at the carbon filter, there's a lot of spacing in between, so the VOCs can easily pass through. So I designed my own filter that has 3 stages that captures a lot more of the VOCs. So you can use the filter that came with it, but you can also print cartridges for this filter specifically that has little compartments in between, and there is still a little bit of pass-through, but once you start layering them, it starts eliminating those gaps altogether. It also has a HEPA filter that deals with the PM2.5 and PM10 particles, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of debris that's also already been captured by this. When I initially got the printer, this little air quality monitor of mine has been going off quite a bit, but after I installed this filter, it has stopped altogether. I've been printing a lot of drawers for my under-table storage, and you can see there's a lot of ABS that I've used because I had a lot of ABS lying around, and this filter has solved quite a lot of those problems for me. If you want to download this for your K1C, you can just follow the link in the description below.